Forgot that the...
This message is for test purposes only. Has issued this is a test message. This is a test message. This is a test tornado warning for all counties in central Indiana. This is a test message. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a test message. This is only a drill. Treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your emergency plans. Because of this test tornado warning, the normal weather radio weekly test schedule on Wednesdays will not take place this week. Expected hazards include no severe weather was occurring or expected. Even well-built homes may suffer significant damage. This is test. This is a test message. Locations impacted include all of central Indiana. This is a test message. Take this time to practice your tornado preparedness plans.
About severe weather preparedness week.
Take this time to practice your tornado preparedness plans.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, you can shut up now.
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued this is a test message. Tornado warning for all counties in northern Indiana. This is a test message. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, this is a test message. No severe weather is occurring. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana Severe Weather Preparedness Week. If this were an actual warning, you would be given information about the location and path of the storm and safe actions to take. This is a test message. At this time, please review your tornado preparedness plans. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. This is known all hazards. Radio KKY 93 in Muncie. This message is for test purposes. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued this is a test message. This is a test tornado warning for all counties in central Indiana. This is a test message. This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued this is a test message. Tornado warning for Benton County, Newton County, Porter County, Lake County, Jasper County. This is a test message. 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time or 10:30 a.m. Eastern. This is a test message. No severe weather is occurring. If this was an actual tornado warning, you would be given information about the location and movement of the storm. This is a test message. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana Severe Weather Preparedness Week. This is a communications exercise to ensure tornado warnings can be properly disseminated and received and to test warning systems. At this time, please review your tornado shelter procedures at home, at your place of business, or at your school.